Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, let's update our view on the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular. So you can see the performance on Bitcoin stands absolutely perfect. So the overall impulse that we've gotten last week on the Jerome Powell statement concerning the cryptocurrencies was strong enough, and this market actually wasn't able to show even the minor pullback on the intraday charts, on the daily chart that we were waiting for. So it was straightforward, the upper breakout and starting of the upward action. So it means that based on the performance that we see on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, it seems that we stand in a extension mode currently. So when the recent retracement is over, now market should start to accelerate and start aiming to the target that we have on weekly and monthly charts. As you know, on the Bitcoin, our next destination point stands around 75. So here is the classical performance with the multiple grabbers on the monthly charts, market taking out of the top of the September already, as you can see, which is also will be another grabber probably in October. And all these patterns are aimed on the previous top, so it should be taken out. Market is not at oversold currently. Here it's on for oversold on the monthly chart, not enough data. So anyway, on the weekly chart, it's not at oversold, as you will see. Right here is oversold level stands, overbought of course, stands around 60 even. And well, it's pretty nice room till for upward continuation, so we have no big limits on the high time frame charts. Besides, here the market already has broken through the 618 resistance, and in fact, between the current level and the previous top, no significant technical barriers exist, except maybe overbought. But this is a dynamic barrier, and you know, it's subject to change, and market could just keep going once the barrier will move higher as well. So other tools, other resistance tools do not exist in this area. So it's really overall performance should be to the upside. The market should keep going to the higher. Here on the weekly chart, another important thing is actually the consequence of sequence of the stages of the price action. So we can see in the big stage, so we'll take a look, that was the extension, this contraction, retracement, that we should be again in a new extension mode. It means that here we should not get any big retracements back to the 30, even 29 area, because major retracement already has happened. And even in a smaller scale here, it already has happened extension, contraction, it's already done. Grabber has been formed here, as you know, but it's already completed because market has climbed above the previous top. And we should be in extension mode. It means that, again, we should not get any deep retracement and definitely should not drop below the C point. So if you're trade on the weekly chart and you haven't taken a position for the whole period where we could do this, that's new invalidation point for performance of the market. So until market stands above the C point here, it keeps bullish context and the overall bullish scenario is valid. So that could be used as the vital point for current tendency. On lower time frames, so take a look what we have on the daily chart. Market stands at overbought with a straightforward upward breakout. So initially we thought that's maybe some minor retracement as here, but it was just minor pullback and market just skyrocketed. Market currently coming to an extension around 56.60. This is 127 extension of the smallest recent retracement, peak retracement on the daily chart. And that will be some minor resistance here. So it means that if you have missed opportunity taking a long position somewhere in this area, you could consider possible pullback here from this level. Some retracement probably could happen. Minimum, it might be somewhere around 53 because this previous top, or maybe be deep retracement also could happen. Whatever retracement will happen, it will be suitable for taking the long position. Besides, here guys, we also could keep an eye on the Jordan Napoli brand body trade. So you can see thrusting action looks nice. It all stands above the 3x3 moving average. So in the case of the pullback, when it meets some support area on the brand body trade, this will be a nice opportunity for possible taking the long position. So that's the pattern that we could keep an eye on the daily chart. Those of you who have missed entry maybe somewhere in this area or just would like to add more to position, so that's the setup that we could keep an eye on. Well, finally, on the intraday charts, here we do not have some specific patterns, but we could keep an eye on the levels. So first level will be it's around 52.40. This is well, agrees with the previous top, and this is first minor 30% support. It's based on the most recent upward direction, right? From these levels to this top, 30% level. Major level to keep an eye on 50.30. So major level to watch for is around 50.30. This is confidence support, 30% from the whole upward direction and the 618 from the most recent. That will be also a good point to consider for brand body if it will be formed. This will be a nice level where that has lots of chances, most chances to become the background for a reversal on the market because of the strength. So that's approximately what we intend to keep an eye on Bitcoin currently. Actually, we do not see something that could make us worry about overall performance stands strong, absolutely logical from a technical point of view, so everything stands absolutely nice, and our task here is to identify and search good entry levels for possible accumulation of the position or for short-term scalp trading.